Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2018 GMC Sierra Denali. This vehicle is featured in gray metallic paint with alloy rims, rear privacy tint, tonneau cover, as well as our backup camera, four-wheel drive, V8 engine. Now moving on to the interior of the GMC Sierra Denali, we'll take a closer look at some of the interior features, starting off with our door panel. We have our soft touch black foam up top, accompanied with our black leather, memory seat option, and chrome door handle. Below we have our close handle, wooden trim, rear window locks and rear child locks, power window controls, and power mirror controls with power mirror fold-in option. Below we have our Bose speaker, storage. On the side of the seat we have our power seat adjustment with power lumbar support. Off to the left of the steering wheel we have our trailering mode, four-wheel drive system, interior dimmer switch, and daytime running lights. Our gauge cluster with digital speedometer. Controls for that are found off to the right of the steering wheel. Off to the left we have our cruise control, as well as front collision alert and heated steering wheel option. Then we have our Denali badging in the middle. The wheel itself is wrapped in black leather and heated. Our infotainment screen will go to the home page here. You can see we have our audio phone, projection, and navigation displayed. We also have our integrated reverse camera with adaptive guidelines. You can see as we turn the wheel, the lines move to show where the vehicle is going to go. This comes especially in handy for the size of a vehicle. Below that we have our radio controls, CD player, and dual zone climate controls. We also have our heated and cooled seat options for driver and passenger. Pedal adjustment, traction control, our truck bed lighting, park assist, lane departure warning, and hill descent assist. And then we have our two USB ports, two 12-volt charging ports, and 3-prong outlet. Under that we have plenty of storage room, as well as two cup holders, padded leather center console lid with remote charging port on top. And inside we have even more charging outlets with two USB ports and auxiliary input, both opposite a 12-volt charging port. The front seats are featured in black patent leather with Denali badging in the headrest and perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. And again, these are heated and cooled front seats. On the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar controls. Above that, our dome lights and dome light settings, 3 garage door openers, sunroof and moonroof controls, as well as our rear siding window controls and our sunglass holder, tan headliner, as well as our sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now moving back to the exterior, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with the GMC badge center caps. We also have our Denali badging featured in chrome and chrome mirror caps, door handles. You can see our rear privacy tint, soft tonneau cover, and around to the back we have our bumper steps, GMC Sierra Denali badging. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Sierra, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which also features our soft-touch black foam, our black leather, wooden trim, chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have leather magazine holders, and back of the center console we have a 12-volt charging port and plenty of storage. The rear seats are featured in black patent leather with perforated leather, and our fold-down center seat featuring 2 cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2018 GMC Sierra Denali. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.